here we go. Gulfstream. There we go. All right, Xfly J65, twin 70mm. Got all my goodies in here. Winglets, wing spar. All right, let's get this thing together here. So this is based off of the Gulfstream G650. Really pretty airplane. I was reading about the 650, so they can cruise. Max cruise is like Mach 0.92, which is cruising. Get you going where you want to go real fast. So yeah, we're at a new field today. Be a maiden flight. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it goes. The airplane's has such great proportions, it should fly fantastic. The model, it's got a gyro, comes with it. I've got that installed. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, and also they've got a self-leveling mode. So if that's something you are interested in. They've got the hard-mounted connectors here at the wing root. It's pretty interesting. So there's the receiver there, here. And so you want to make sure you get it in, you get it set really well so that you don't run into issues with it coming disconnected. It's one of the few foam airframes I actually have to take apart to fit in my car. One of the cool things, they've got the full-scale shock-absorbing struts on the airframe, which is awesome. I really love to see that kind of stuff. We'll show you once we get the gear down. Really nice representation of the Gulfstream. Now, can't forget the winglets, of course. All right, so I've got a 6S 6250 pack that I plan to fly. And so you got the hatch here. All right, there we go. I'm gonna turn this over so we can show the gear. All right, full trailing link scale on the mains, and then you got the shock absorbing nose on the front. Pretty cool. All right, I think we are ready. I'm just gonna do a few checks. You can hear the gyro going. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but so I'm gonna start with it off, and then I'll turn it on in flight. But otherwise, let's see, the CG is right here. So I might need to move the battery back a touch, but otherwise I think we're ready to go. Move this back. There we go. Yep, that's better. All right, everything moves in the right direction. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Cool, let's do it. All right, maiden flight, here we go. Sounds good. Right, just a touch. All right, the gyro is off. All right, here we go. Yeah, that didn't take very long. Some left aileron. Some left. I wonder if it's from those cameras I got on there. Still need some left and some down. There we go, that's feeling a little better. Tone up my rates a touch.
Is it going all right?
I'm gonna turn on the gyro. Oh yeah, that helped stabilize it quite a bit. It's a little bumpy, so it really helped. Actually taking out all the trim that I had put into it. That's funny. All right, feels pretty good now. What a pretty airplane. Still needs a little bit of down trim. I actually want to see what the flaps are going to do. All right, I got full flaps in it. No trim change at all, so that's awesome. No problem landing with flaps then. All right, let's have some fun. See what it can do. Verticals, not bad. Obviously, non-scale maneuver. It's all right. I'm actually curious how it'll roll. Bring it around, we'll do a roll. I think I might shoot some touch and goes. Yeah, it rolls just fine. I'm gonna drop the gear, drop the flaps. I'm gonna do a touch and go or two. Drop the gear, flaps down. Okay, I still got the gyro in. It feels really good with the gyro. Of course, now we got a crosswind. Slows down real nice. Definitely need to touch down sooner than that though, but it really slows down. All right, she's flown. I scraped the wingtip. Perfect. All right, this will be full stop. She gets really floaty. Cool. Man, what a sweetheart. I'm going to tone up my aileron rates just a touch. Otherwise, everything else felt really good. And so, yeah, let's make those adjustments. We'll fly again, and I think we'll be good. I want to check the battery. I had my timer set at 4 minutes. So let's see, that second touch and go was at the 4-minute mark. So let's see what this looks like. It says 27%, about 377, 378 on the voltage. So yeah, that's good. All right, flight 2. And so I ended up bumping up the aileron and the elevator about 10%, and that feels really good. I think that'll probably be where it stays. It's pretty. Full throttle. Do a 1G roll, how about that? That could happen. If you can roll a 707, you can roll a Gulfstream. That's my opinion. do a high-speed pass. I'm gonna shoot some touch and goes. Yeah, that gyro really locks it in. Wind's kicking up, it's a bit cross, so let's see. There it is. Not my finest. Really happy. This is a really sweet looking, sweet flying airplane. It's just a nice cruiser. It's not something you're gonna do a bunch of aerobatics with, but that's not really what it's designed for either. You know, the full scale is designed to go where you want really fast, and it's such a timeless design, the Gulfstream. But anyways, I'm gonna have my full review. I'm gonna start working on that for you guys. We got 2 flights in. I'm gonna do a whole lot more flying today. And so yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow along on social media at the RC Geek, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you at the field.